In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate Gmail to Google Sheets in Zapier step by step so you can save time, reduce manual data entry, and keep your emails organized automatically. This is a great workflow if you want incoming Gmail messages to be captured in a spreadsheet without copy and pasting anything by hand. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple automation guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create option and click it. This is where Zapier lets you start building a new automation, also called a Zap. After that, click on Zap Workflows. That will take you into the workflow builder where you can connect apps and define what happens automatically. Now, we need to set up the trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. Click on Trigger to begin. In the app search bar, type Gmail and select it from the results. Gmail will be the app that watches for the email activity you want to track. Next, choose an event. You can select any trigger event that fits your workflow, depending on what kind of Gmail activity you want Zapier to detect. After that, log into your Gmail account when prompted. This connects your Gmail inbox to Zapier so the automation can access the data it needs. Once the trigger is connected, it's time to add the action. Click on Action to create the next step in the workflow. In the app search bar, type Google Sheets and select it. Google Sheets will be the destination where your Gmail information will be stored. Then click on Choose an event and pick the action you want to use. Again, you can choose any event that matches your setup, depending on how you want the data sent into your spreadsheet. After that, log into your Google account so Zapier can access your sheets. Now that both apps are connected, you'll want to finish configuring the automation. Click on Build it in the top area to continue. This is where Zapier helps you map the information from Gmail into the right columns in Google Sheets. You may need to choose the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use, then match email details like sender, subject, date, or message content to the correct sheet fields. Take a moment here to make sure everything is lined up properly so your data lands exactly where you want it. After everything looks good, click Test Run. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the automation is working before you publish it. If the test is successful, you'll see that the Gmail data is being sent into Google Sheets correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust the setup before continuing it. Finally, when you're satisfied with the test, click Publish. That activates your Zap and turns the workflow on. From that point forward, your Gmail to Google Sheets automation will run in the background and handle the process for you automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to automate Gmail to Google Sheets in Zapier in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.